Let's feed the chicken some cut up watermelon. We have some leftover watermelon, so we're gonna throw it in here for these guys, even though the goats are trying to be mean and break in and pretty much just dickheads. So let's see if I can do this. I think I'm just gonna chuck them out there. Jeez, you crazy ass lunatics. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. We'll just throw one right here. Let's see. I know they're going to eat it. They devour it pretty well. I don't see any bones or anything left from the last time I gave them food. Hey, dummy. All the stuff's in here, not out there. So you might want to make your way in here.